Let's learn to read and spell words that have short A. We will practice with 12 different word families. Let's start with the add family. Mad. A-D. Mad. Bad. B-A-D. Bad. Lad. O-A-D. Lad. Dad. D-A-D. Dad. Sad. S-A-D. Sad. Pad. P-A-D. Pad. Next, the ag family. Gag. G-A-G. Gag. Lag. L-A-G. Lag. Means he's behind, so he's not able to keep up with the other person. He's lagging behind. Rag. R-A-G. Rag. Sag. S-A-G. Sag. Tag. T-A-G. Tag. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Wag. W-A-G. Wag. Let's look at the ack family. Yak. Y-A-K. Yak. Let's look at the owl family. Gal. G-A-L. Gal. Pal. P-A-L. Pal. Here's the M family. Ham. H-A-M. Ham. Yam. Y-A-M. Yam. Ram. R-A-M. Ram. Dam. D-A-M. Dam. Here's the An family. Ban. B-A-N. Ban. Van. V-A-N. Van. Tan. T-A-N. Tan. Can. K-A-N. Can. Ran. R-A-N. Ran. Man. M-A-N. Man. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Tan. T-A-N. Tan. Here's the app family. Cap. K-A-P. Cap. Gap. G-A-P. Gap. Lap. O-A-P. Lap. Nap. N-A-P. Nap. Sap. S-A-P. Sap. Tap. T-A-P. Tap. Zap. Z-A-P. Zap. Our family. Bar. B-A-R. Bar. Now this one, because of that R, we have R-controlled vowels, so it doesn't necessarily make the A sound, because it wouldn't be bar, but the A-R together makes the R sound. So B-R, bar. Car. K-R. Car. So you can see we don't go K-A-R. We go K-R to make the car word. jar, j, r, jar. Tar, t, r, tar. Here's the ass family. Gas, g, a, s, gas. At family. Bat, b, a, t, bat. Cat, k, a, t, cat. Fat, f, a, t, fat. Hat, h, a, t, hat. Bat, b, a, t, bat. Mat, m, a, t, mat. Pat, p, a, t, pat. Rat, r, a, t, rat. Sat, s, a, t, sat. Vat, v, a, t, vat. Here's the axe family. Fax, f, ax, fax. Sax, s, ax, sax. Tax, t, ax, tax. Wax, w, ax, wax. Let's look at the app family next. Cab, k, ab, cab. Dab, d, a, b, dab. Gab, g, ab, gab. Gab means talk a lot. Lab, o, ab, lab. Nab, n, a, b, nab. Nab means to grab. You can see the cat grabbing the mouse, so nab means to quickly grab it. Tab, t, a, b, tab. Thanks for joining me today to practice these short A word family words. Check back soon for more short vowel word family practice. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye for now.